Canada! That's me! German! Courtney! Oh! South America! Arellano! Mexico!
What the hell?
Manny? Another one! Netherlands! Alabama, baby! Mexico! Giannis Antetokounmpo, bro. North Korea! Son!
What? What the fuck?
Oh! Turkey!
What?
Benjamin Franklin again!
What the hell?
Yes! Netherlands! Burger, bro. Bazooka! I mean, Bozo. Netherlands! Kuta Kinte Nawakame! Who the hell is this? Mercy? Santa Claus? Ben Dick?
Bruh.
Ah! Benjamin!
Bruh.
No, not fucking Yerby!
What?
Carnival.
What the hell?
Lava! Saudi Arabia though! Bismillah! Mexico! George Lopez! Bullet? Bro, what football club is that? What the fuck is a Dub? Bro, there's no way it's a football club named Dub. Yo, chat, why does Spain and Mexico has the same flag?
What?
Like, so y'all never thought about that? Like, Spain and Mexico has the, like, literally the same flag?
Sit the fuck down.
Canada? Oh! Anthony Davis! Yes! Mexico! Germany. Versailles!
Oh, hell no!
Oh my god, Netherlands, bro. Borja Iglesias. Snogmini.
Bruh.
Spinalagazolo. Batolia. You keep buying packs over and over. Portugal! Portugal! Okay. He's from Saudi Arabia. Gakapo! Robito from who the fuck? Who's this? Neymar Jr. I got somebody named University, bro. Italy. Senegal. Mexico. Saudi Arabia. Della Piero! Oh yeah! Turkey! Switzerland. Casemiro. Black! Oh my god! Mexico! Not this! I don't... No! Bro, not this ugly ass dude! Not Tom Holland! Hot! I'm hot! I'm hot! Mexico! Turkey! France!
Huh?
Somebody! Mexico! Switzerland again, bro. Italy. Switzerland, bro.
What the hell?
Mexico again, bro.
What the hell?
Yup. Sergio Biscuit, bro. Benjamin, get the Who is that? Switzerland! No, not Boney Key!
What the hell?
Man, who the hell is this ugly? Man, get your trash ass on my screen. Kona Hamaru. Who the hell is this guy, man? Cockworts. Germany, bro, once again. Mexico again, bro. Paul Torres. Norway. Mexico. Bro, and I'm getting Manny Pacquiao. Who the fuck is this little bitch? Digny. Oh, not Sweden. No, not Bruno Mars. Armenia.